Hello children, how are you? Okay, I hope you are all fine. Welcome to the EVS online class. Today's session we are going to learn about climbers and producers. Okay, children, EVS class 2 day 14 climbers and producers. Okay, first one climbers. Climbers means climbers have very thin. I think you have seen in the garden about the plants climbers and weak stem. Which one weak? Climbers have very thin and weak stem like creepers. Creepers depend upon the ground. Okay, like that. Climbers have very thin, listen, and weak. How is it their stem? Very thin and weak stems, like creepers. So they take support of wall. They take the support of wall or another tree or anything else. Okay, why? To grow vertically. To grow vertically. Okay, children, again I say climbers have very thin and weak stems like creepers. Which one are? Creepers. So they take the support of wall or another tree to grow vertically. Okay, and then what can you see in this picture? Yeah, very good, very nice. This is one of the climbers. Okay, okay children, for example, cucumber plant. Do you like cucumber? Yeah, very good. You like cucumber? We eat this during the summer season. Okay, you can see it has taken support of the fence. Cucumber plant, you can see it. It has taken support of the fence. Okay. Next one, this is one of the climbers. Okay children, can you see? Okay children, okay dear. Let us see next one. Okay mom. Next one, the plants based on food. Okay, most plants produce their own food. Most of the plants produce their own food. Okay, how is it possible? The plants absorb the water through their roots and they produce their own food. But there are some plants that feed on insects. But there are some plants that feed on insects. Such plants are called carnivores. I think you studied in the previous class carnivores animals. Can you see the carnivores animals? Children, can you say? Very good. Eagle, lion, okay dear. And then most plants produce their own food. And then, but there are some plants that feed on insects. Or children, some plants that feed on insects. Such plants are called carnivores. Such plants are called carnivores. Okay. Okay dear. What's the meaning of producers? We are depend on food from each other. We depend farmers and then many other persons. But plants prepare their own food. Plants prepare their own food. It is called, so we are called producer. Okay. Producers are, who is children? What's the meaning of producers? Plants which prepare their own food called producers. We will learn in the next class how plants prepare their own food. Okay. First, for example, mango. Let us see. What can you see in this picture? Yeah, very good. Very nice. Mango prepare their own food. How is possible? The mango tree absorb the water through their roots. From the root, they take nutrients from the soil. Okay. Then these nutrients take over through the stem. Then all the nutrients take over to the plants. Then the plant flourish, flowers, and they store food like mango. Okay. Dear children, what's the meaning of carnivorous animals? Can you say? Yeah, very good, very nice. Animals eat other animals. That kind of animals are called carnivorous animals. Like that, plants also is considered carnivorous plants. Okay, some kind of plants is called carnivorous plants. Let us see. Children, look at the slide. Carnivorous plants. Plants which eat other animals. Plants which eat other animals are called carnivorous plants. What's the meaning of carnivorous plants? Plants which eat other animals are called carnivorous plants. Okay. Children, can you understand? Okay, again I say, listen this. Carnivorous plants, plants which eat other animals are called carnivorous plants. Okay. They close their leaves. How is it, ma? Close their leaves and trap small animals. And trap small animals. And then they get nutrients. They get nutrients from them, from that animals. For example, Venus fly trap. Okay, for example, Venus fly trap is the one kind of carnivorous plants. Okay, children, can you understand this? Okay, ma'am. What can you see in this picture? Yeah, very good, very nice. This is the picture of Venus fly trap. Okay. Okay, children. Okay, dear. Dear children, now you take your student reader, page number 52. Page number 52. Student reader 6. Student reader 6. I give you time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? Children, time over. I think you take your student reader book. Shrubs. Children, follow me. Shrubs are shorter than trees. Children, again I read. Follow me. Shrubs are shorter than trees. They don't have a trunk. They don't have a trunk like the tree. Next one. Roots of shrubs. Roots of shrubs are not as strong as trees. Shrubs give beautiful flowers. Shrubs give beautiful flowers and fruits. For example, rose and hibiscus plants. Rose and hibiscus plants. Next one, herbs. Next one, herbs. Herbs are even shorter than shrubs. Herbs are even shorter than shrubs. They have a very small and thin stem. They have a very small and thin stem. Their roots are, children, again I read, their roots are not that strong, since herbs do not require much support. Herbs are used in cooking. Herbs are used in cooking and also used to make medicines. And also used to make medicines. Okay. And then example, coriander and mint plants. Coriander and mint plants. Next one, creepers. Next one what ma? Creepers. Creepers have a very thin and weak stem. Creepers have a very thin and weak stem. So they creep along the ground. So they creep along the ground and are not able to grow vertically. Creepers are not able to grow vertically. Have you picked up a watermelon? Yeah. Is it right or heavy? Is it light or heavy, ma? It is very heavy. Heavy watermelons grow on a creeper and take support of land. Okay, for example, pumpkin and watermelon plants. The next one, climbers. Children, climbers are also have very thin and weak stems. Climbers also have very thin and weak stems like creepers. So they take the support of a wall or another tree to grow vertically. Example, cucumber plant. Okay, children. Next one, let us see worksheet. Okay, ma. Children, I give you time. Take your worksheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Time over. Children, I think you take your worksheet. Worksheet number 13. Page number 81. Page number 81. Worksheet number 13. Types of plants. First question. Write the type of plants given below. Children, can you say this? Dear children, think and say the answer. Option A. First one what? What type of plants this? Yeah, very good. Very nice answer. First one. Children, look at the slide. Look at the picture. Children, look at this. First one. What type of plants? Very good. Very nice. Creepers. What's the spelling of creepers? C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. Okay. The next one. Children, look at the slide. Second one. What can you see in this page? Option B. Can you say what type of plants? Yeah, very good. Very nice answer. Climbers. What ma? C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. First one, creepers. Option B, climbers. Okay. Okay, dear. Again, I show the slide. Listen the option C. What can you see in this picture? Children? Okay. You can use your worksheet also. Okay. You write in your worksheet. Option C. Children, think and say the answer, ma. Yeah, very good. Very nice answer. Option C. Climber. What, children? C-L-I-M-B-E-R. Climber. C-L-I-M-B-E-R. Climber. Okay. And then next one. Listen the slide. Option D. Listen, ma. What can you see in this picture? What type of plants, ma? Yeah, very good. Very nice answer. What, children? Option D. Climber. Okay. Option D. Climber. Option D. Climber. Next one. Option E. Look at the slide. Children, listen the slide. What type of plants this? Yeah, very good. Very nice answer. This is also climber. C-L-I-M-B-E-R. Climber. Okay. Okay, dear. Again, I show the slide. Last picture. Listen and think. Children, listen the answer and think and say the answer, ma. Right? Listen the picture. What type of plants this? Very good. Very nice. This picture. Creeper. What type, ma? Creeper. Okay. Let us go next one. Dear children, look at the second question. Tick the add plant. Right? Why it is add? Okay. You can take your worksheet also. You write the worksheet. Other students, you take screenshot. Okay. First one, option A, watermelon, mint, pumpkin. Watermelon, mint, pumpkin. Children, think and say the answer. Can you say the answer? Very good. Very nice. Mint. Okay. Children, look at the board. I write the answer. Children, can you read this? Can you read this, ma? Yeah, very good. Watermelon, mint, pumpkin. Watermelon, and pumpkin are what ma? Creeper. Okay. Mint is one of the herb. Mint is one of the herb. Okay. So we select mint. We tick the mint. Children, you tick this. Then you have to write the answer. Why it is add. Okay. Mint is not a what ma? Creeper. It is one of the herb. Children, first one, mint is not a creeper. It's not a creeper. Mint is not a creeper like other two. Okay. So we select this mint. We add one mint. Okay. Let us go next question. Okay, ma. Can you read this, children? Very good, children. Coriander, coconut, mint. Coriander, coconut, mint. Which one you add this? Yeah, very good. Very nice. Coconut. What, children? Coconut. Coriander is one of the herb. And another one, mint is one of the herb plant. Okay. So we tick the coconut. Let us write the explanation. Okay. Okay, ma. Children, look at the board and write the answer. Coconut is not a herb. We select coconut. Coconut is not a herb like other two. Which one? Like mint and coriander. Coriander and mint are herb, but coconut only tree. So we add this. Coconut is not a herb like other two. Okay. Let us see next question. Okay, ma, children, can you read this? Very good, very nice. Cucumber, rose, hibiscus. Cucumber, rose, hibiscus. Which one? Add on this. Children, can you say this answer? Very good, very nice answer. Okay, children. Which one answer? Cucumber. Very nice. Cucumber is a what, ma? Cucumber is not a shrub. Rose and hibiscus are shrubs. Okay. Let us write this. Okay. Now look at the board. Children, look at the board, ma. Cucumber is not a shrub. Okay. Okay. Cucumber is not a shrub like other two. Okay. Rose and hibiscus are shrub, but cucumber is not a shrub. So we select this cucumber. Okay. Okay, children. Let us go next one. See the slide. Children, can you read this? Very good. Hibiscus, watergrass and coconut. Okay, hibiscus, watergrass, coconut. Okay? Okay, children. Hibiscus is the land plant and coconut is also land plant, but watergrass only live on in the water. So we select watergrass. Okay. Okay, children? Listen, ma. Water grass is not a land plant. Other plants are land plants like other two. So we select water grass. So we select water grass. Let us go next one. Okay. Look at the slide. Children, look at the slide, ma. Last one. Very good. Coconut, coriander and asoga. Coconut, coriander and asoga. Can you say this answer? Very good. Very nice. Coriander. Because coriander is one of the herb. Okay. Coconut and asoga are trees. Okay. Okay, children. Children, look at this. Coriander is not a tree. Coconut and asoga are trees. Okay. Coriander is not a tree like other two. So we select coriander. So you pick this coriander and write this answer reason. Okay. Now look at the slide. Children, you write your answer in your worksheet. You can take screenshot also. Okay. Children, I give you time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I think you write the answers in your worksheet. Okay? Dear children, look at the board. This is a homework for you. Worksheet number 14, page number 82. Worksheet number 14, page number 82. Students, you will do the homework in your home. Okay. Thank you, children. Take care. Have a nice day.